Watch how to work with the Rate Management integration to map values between the Rate Management dashboard and Magaya supply chain with this video that walks you through the process. Hi, I'm George from Magaya. During the installation, the package types, charges and rates, and customer profiles are automatically mapped between the Rate Management dashboard and Magaya supply chain. But you can always make changes. First, let's see how the package types were mapped. Find the list of mapped package types.
In your Magaya supply chain, go to Options, Extensions, Rate Management, and Configuration.
Select Package Types from the main menu. The left column shows the package definitions from the Rate Management dashboard. These are default definitions and can't be changed. The right column shows how they were matched to the package types in Magaya supply chain. See this info icon? This means the integration didn't find an exact match, but the closest match available. You can use this match or not. The system learns each time it's used. If you accept the matches, the system will also, and over time it will automatically remove the icon. But you can change the mapping assigned. Select one from the Magaya supply chain package type list by clicking here. You can refresh the list here. Now that we've seen how package types are mapped, let's take a look at mapping charges. The Rate Management integration uses charge definitions to ensure that the right charges are assigned to the correct accounts when a quote is sent from the dashboard to supply chain. This screen has a few options. You can set a default, add new ones manually, or upload a list. Let's see each option. These steps are usually done by a Magaya Professional Services expert during installation. The mapping has two parts. One in the list of items and services in your Magaya supply chain, and the other in your Rate Management dashboard. Let's see how it works and how to make changes. In supply chain, go to Accounting, then Items and Services. Here, you can add new items or edit existing ones. Let's look at documentation cost as an example. This description field will be matched to the group name in the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard to see this and how to do the next step, Group Charges. Log into the dashboard as System Administrator and open the Admin Control Panel. Open the External Mappings option. This screen opens to the surcharges. If groups of surcharges were already created, you will see them under the title Groups. Each group name is a link you can click to see the members inside the group and make edits. To add a new group, click the plus sign. To define the new group, first enter a name for the group. We recommend that you enter a name matching the items and services in your Magaya. For example, documentation cost. Next, select a group mapping type. We recommend selecting buy and sell charges because you can map the group to Magaya income and expense charges in the same reference. Search and select the list of carrier charges to include in your group. Save the mapped charge by clicking the check mark at the bottom of the list. You can continue adding groups as needed. Once you've finished, keep this group list handy as we move on to the final step, mapping charges in the integration.
In your Magaya supply chain, go to Options, Extensions, Rate Management, and Configuration.
Select Charges from the integration menu. We recommend that you use the groups created in the dashboard to map charges in the expense charge list. Let's see it. To add a new charge, follow these steps. Click Add New. In the code field, enter the group name from the dashboard. Note that this field is case sensitive. In the Income dropdown, select the Magaya income charge that you want to map to this group. In the Expenses dropdown, select the Magaya expense charge that you want to map. The Mode of Transportation Rules dropdown gives you the option to map charges by mode of transport, using the charges defined in your Magaya items and services. You can map as many charges as you want by adding rows to the external charge list as needed. Or you you can upload a list. Click the Save button after you've finished adding mapped charges. Now that we've seen how charges are mapped, let's take a look at mapping customer profiles. The Rate Management integration automatically handles customer profile mapping for you. When you send a quote from the dashboard to supply chain, the integration will try to find the customer from the quote in Magaya supply chain. If no match is found, then the system will create a new customer profile in supply chain. To make this creation process run smoothly, set up the following configuration so the system can generate an account number when a new customer profile is created. In Magaya, go to Maintenance, Configuration, Customer Setup. On the Customer Setup screen, confirm that account numbers are set to automatically generate for new customers. If not, then check this box to turn on this feature. Then click Save. Now, let's see how the integration matches customer profiles between the dashboard and supply chain using two important fields, the customer name and ID. When a quote is sent, the integration attempts to match the external ID field in the dashboard to the account number field in supply chain. Let's take a look at one customer as an example. In the dashboard, customers or companies are listed in the address book. Click the Contacts button to open it. For example, open ABC Company. Verify that an external ID has been entered for the customer. This value is used to find a matching customer in supply chain. Let's take a look. In supply chain, customers are found in the Customers list. Go to Maintenance, Customers. Locate ABC Company. Confirm that the account number matches the corresponding external ID in the dashboard. This will ensure that the integration will be able to match the customer when a quote is sent. Now that we've confirmed a customer match, our mission is complete. Let's take a look at what we've learned. How to map package types using the Rate Management configuration. How to map charges between the dashboard and supply chain using the Items and Services list and Rate Management configuration. How the integration maps customer profiles between the dashboard and supply chain. Using these tools ensures that the Rate Management dashboard and Magaya supply chain can communicate with each other effectively. See our other videos and the knowledge base for more on automating tasks in your Magaya software. Thanks for watching.